Today, Arya has an idea. She's thinking, what experiment should I do today? Then she makes a phone call to a friend. And decides to try two super fun experiments. Experiment 1. The erupting volcano. She takes some baking soda, vinegar, and a bit of food coloring. It looks like magic, but it's science. Next, she tries a new idea. Can I blow up a balloon without using my mouth? It's like a science party. Experiments are fun and safe. You can try them too with help from your parents.